Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a short tutorial on how to bleach the knots on a lace frontal or closure, just so that you can have your wigs looking more natural in the front. So you're going to need some foil, shampoo, a blonde highlight kit, something that you can mix the dye in, a dye brush. I got this dye brush from some Chinese shop in town. If you're in Lusaka, you can probably find it in Home Essentials. You're going to need a spoon to measure or to mix, and a closure or a frontal, whatever you're using. This is actually from one of the wigs that I was wearing in one of my previous videos. I just took the wig apart. So basically, you're going to spread out the foil. I got the biggest brush from that box that I had. And the kit comes with powder, an activator, and a pair of gloves. I didn't use the gloves because I feel like it's a bit deep for just the closure, unless you're probably dyeing like a full head. So I used 2 tablespoons. You don't really have a specific measurement for this. I feel like you just have to get a specific consistency. Like, it shouldn't be too runny and it shouldn't be too thick. So first I put 3 tablespoons, but then it was still a bit chunky. As you can see, that's how it was looking, but then it started to harden up a bit, so I added a bit more activator. So when adding the mixture on the frontal, you shouldn't press into the lace because it's going to seep through and then end up bleaching the actual hair. So basically just patting it onto the top. After this, you're going to let it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Just getting the ends. And yeah, letting it sit. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse the mixture off of the lace. I was trying to avoid getting it onto the hair. That's probably why I was holding it like it's hot. You don't have to use this specific shampoo. You can use whatever shampoo you prefer. Do not do this technique on a wet closure or a wet lace. Anyway, you don't have to do this. Don't do it on hair that's wet, basically. As you can see, it's giving the illusion of a scalp. More natural. And yeah, that's how you bleach the knots. I hope this video was helpful to someone. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you want to see me make a wig, yeah, I'm still trying to get the hang of everything. So yeah, just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional, so this is just some tips on how to do this on your own. But yeah, please keep on watching all of my other videos. Thank you. Subscribe.